this satellite session activity is very good for us.
Very fruitful.
Very beneficial.
Informal environment, it's not in a stuffy lecture or office.
I've worked with many companies, and Cooper is truly the one that's spending so much resources on teaching and educating practitioners, making sure not only we have a diverse portfolio of products to choose from, but also how to use them properly.
We need to bring together practitioners, researchers, policy people to really change the way myopia is looked at today.
Training events like this will really help practitioners to be able to use the products most effectively and safely.
Heartfelt thanks to CooperVision who make this wonderful activity possible.
It is about protecting the vision of future generations. This is why CooperVision is prioritizing training and education.
I hope there will be more chances for not only myself and also my fellow professional optometrists to be able to come over here, because that's a lot of information you'll be hearing from the experts.
I would definitely encourage everyone who is able to join these events, because it's important for us to keep our knowledge up to date.
It's not just the lineup of speakers that will be interesting to listen and learn from, but you will learn a lot from your peers and you'll be in for an enjoyable ride.
This, in turn, supports evidence-based practices, ensuring the highest standard of care when it comes to myopia management.